OnePlus has officially showed the OnePlus 15 and talked about some of its specs. The OnePlus 15 has a squarish camera module in the upper left corner, similar to what we saw on the OnePlus 13T. The module houses 3 cameras, 2 in a pill-shaped design, and another lens and an LED flash sit separately on the right. It'll be the first device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. New posters rolled out by the brand give a good look at the phone's display and front design. The OnePlus 15 has an impressive flat display with rounded corners. It has 1.15mm ultra-thin bezels, and support a 165Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. To have a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP JN5 telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra-wide camera ISOCELL JN5, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots, and an IP68/69 rated body. There's also a 7000 mAh battery inside, which along with the 120W wired charging support will also get 50W wireless charging. A China launch is likely in October 2025, with a global debut expected by January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.